Hi guys, this is Forex here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about our weekly analysis and without wasting much of our time, let's move straight to the video. Right now, as we all know, we go to the daily time frame to check for our last candle of the day. Now, this is our daily time frame. As we can see on daily time frame, we have a uptrend moving. With this uptrend moving now, we should know automatically that we are on uptrend from daily time frame. So, but we can't just decide that we are on uptrend based on the trend on daily time frame, because our candle that we are seeing here is what daily candle. So, which means this is Friday, this is Saturday, sorry, this is Thursday, and this is Wednesday. So, these three candle moving, pointing down, showing something, is giving us a message. As we all know, candlestick is the language for the Forex market. So, it's telling us something. So now, without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to simplify the charts. Now, on daily time here, first off, we have this break of structure. This is the last break of structure that we have on daily time frame. This is the last break of structure here. So with this last break of structure, we should look for the origin that caused the break of structure. Where is the origin that caused the break of structure? Yes, this is the origin here. That caused the break of structure, which also have a other block there. So let me label it. This is an other block. So now, as we can, let me zoom it so I can see very well. So as you can see now, market tapped it here, tapped in one, moving up, come back to tap it again, and come back there again, which is we are now having a repeated pattern there, which is giving us the resistance zone, sorry, support zone there. So which means we now change this to support zone. And support zone simply give us a reverse back to the upside. So you understand now. So we have a reverse to the upside. It's simply telling us that market is probably going up again. So now with this, let's go to 4-hour time. So here on 4-hour time frame. So what can we see? This is our BOS. This is our last BOS. So, and this is the origin that caused the break of structure here. The market tapped in one. So since market has tapped in, we expect markets to give us uh, a push to the upside to come and fill this high here. But market failed to give us that. So since we now have this pickup structure, this is now our change of character. It will be our change of character. So next we have this breakup structure here. You know, last week this place served as our resistance zone. This level served as our resistance zone last week. Now we are now having it as our what? As our breakup structure, because market has already broken the structure there. So since we have a breakup structure there, let me shift this to screen other block, and now so I'm going to relabel this one to be a what. So this is now our support zone. Yeah, this is now our support zone here. So now since we have this support zone, now what will be the next move? That's what should we look out for the next move? Now, since these are support zone, now we have to now simplify it, which gives us like support zone means market probably want to move to the upside. So now we now come to smaller time frame to look out for what is really happening there. Now, all our focus will be on this range here, from here. Let's say from here down here. We have nothing to do with all this one at the back again. All our focus will be here. From here, let me just indicate it our focus will be around here like this. So that's it. So now, what are we looking at? We have a break of structure here. This is our last break of structure to the downside. Right? This is our last break of structure to the downside. Since we have a break of structure here, since we have a break of structure, this is the origin that for the break of structure. This is the low for the break of structure. And since we have not have a change of character here, since market have not break it, let me mark it out. You see, market have not break it, so we cannot say we have a change of character yet. We cannot say we have a change of character yet since market has not break this low here. You understand? But in case market is now open on Monday and we have a break of this low, that means this will now be serving as a change of character for us. Let me just label it as expected change of character. Let me label it expected change of character. So we are expecting this to be a change of character for us. But for now, what are we seeing? We don't have any change of character yet. For now, we don't have any change of character yet. So now we have a break of structure here. Hope you understand what I'm doing. Please, if you have any question or you don't understand what I'm doing, just put it in the comment section. I would explain more better. So now, since we don't have the change of character yet, and market is on a support level. So what should we firstly move on to? Let's firstly deal with the support level, which means we have this large break of structure. We will now have to wait for market to come back and break this last break of structure to the upside before we ask, okay, market is ready to be moving upside. But for now, not too much. So let's go to 1 hour. Maybe we can see more clearer this thing there. So here on 1 hour, this is our expected change of character. This is our expected change of character. And we now have another last low here. 1 hour time frame. This is our low. Sorry, our break of structure. And this is another origin of the break of structure. So now, what we have on 30 minutes, same thing, nothing much. On 15 minutes, what do we have? We have same thing here. On 15 minutes, this is our last low, our last break of structure. So before we can now have a change of character, which means we want to go in support of the support zone as a buy, we have to break this high here first. this market have to take out this high and give us a retrace to the downside. So somewhere around this place, we now look for our order block, FEG, or anything that we can use as a confluence to back our setup. So this is it. Nothing much. Today probably we don't have a straight what is it called? A straight setup, a straight order. So we just have to work with confirmation. So with what we have here, we are looking out for this place to firstly for a buy move, we have to wait for market to break this high, reverse to the downside. Let me do something so that we can understand what I'm saying. So we expect market to go this way, break this high here, come back down somewhere around here or here, then we continue, which means our setup will be here. We're looking for entry around here. So for the sell scenario, Probably market will go like this, come down, just come down, break this low here, this expected change of character. Once we have this expected change of character, which now become a real change of character like this, then we are expecting market to move to the upside. Probably here, then we now come to the downside. You understand? Which is we are having two scenarios now. We are waiting for market to move before we react. So by Monday, during the Asian section, we expect market to move either to the downside here or to the upside here. What I'm saying is this main map is so this, which means if you have this expected change of characters to finally now become a change of character. So which means market is changing from this, which is this market is changing from being uptrend now to being downtrend. So which means we're now expecting market to reverse after giving us a change of character. We're now expecting it to come back up maybe to somewhere here. Maybe to somewhere here. So which means we'll now be having something like this. We're having something like this for the sell scenario. We'll be having something like this for the sell scenario. So for the buy scenario, we'll be having something like this. We're having something like this for the buy scenario. So what I will expect for next week totally, overall for next week move, I'm expecting a sell. I'm expecting a sell totally for next week. We're expecting a sell. So from this 15 minutes here, we are expecting this support zone here. That's what we are expecting. This one here, this support zone here, that's what we are expecting. So that before we move anymore, we are expecting it to make a decision for us. So once this support zone make the decision for us, which all we are waiting for is just to break it or continue moving from it. So and there you will now be waiting for a sell. But mind you, when market gets here, please pay attention to it. When market gets here, pay attention, work with confirmation, because market might come here and continue moving down. So thank you very much. If you watch to the end of this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop any video, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. I will do well to address the question. Thank you very much. Love you. Peace.
All the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.